So Christmas came early to my Titi's followers. Yesterday she asked your followers, Kuti, what do you want for Christmas? Talk to me. And Nasi, she just highlighted 23 people that she's going to bless with gifts. Tata Jerama celebrities anongo yachiti, what do you want for Christmas? In your comment section imomo, you might find someone anogona kuku blessa ikoko anogona kukuona. And to our surprise, my Titi vakanyora kuti iwo personally she's going to bless everyone akumbira. Pa 23 pavachuza ava. At least my Titi has set a good example pama celebrities. Tane kushandiswa nema celebrities. Tichingonyora kutuda zvakati zvisingauye zvinhu zvacho izvozvo. So from wheelchair, ndodango kuratidza some of the things that she's going to buy for people. Uyati wheelchair, my driving lessons, 2 kg huku, 2 kg rice ne 1 huku, lunch. Personally, I need a Brazilian wig, Christmas cake, knuckle cream, a bottle of whiskey. Mukuona vamwe vatowana ma whiskey avo. Hands dress like you, racing wheelchair, fairly glow. Ma wheelchair ndoandaona akati one day pama comments andaona zvangu. Nonyatsona usaiwa pana vanhu vari kunyatsokumbira zviri genuine chaizvo zvekutoti havatorina. Vari kutodawo wheelchair yemwana, mamwe vari kudawo wheelchair yekushandisa ivo. So I don't know what you guys think, but ndafara hangu. I'm so happy with this kind gesture yaitwa namai Shumba. Kanawo uchiona vanhu vachikubatsirawo vachikusupportawo as a celebrity, why not give back to the community? Zvakadai so tinozvishaya macelebrities edu andangobatsirwa iwo ngopiwa mari ega. As kana isusu takuda mari, they are nowhere to be found. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. So to subscribe, please make sure that you are subscribed. Road to 50,000. We are almost at 33.